Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of garden shades and sharing some amazing ideas to inspire you. Whether you are looking for a practical storage solution or a cozy retreat, we have got you covered. So let's get started. First up, we have the classic storage shed. This is perfect for keeping all your gardening tools, pots, and equipment neatly organized. You can even add shelves and hooks to maximize the space. It's functional option that does not compromise on style. Next, let's talk about transforming your shed into a creative workspace with some insulation, lighting, and a cozy setup. You can have a own little sanctuary for painting, crafting, or even writing. It's fantastic way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and focus on your hobbies. Now imagine having an outdoor lounge right in your backyard. By adding comfortable seating, cushion, and small coffee table, you can create a cozy retreat for relaxation and entertaining guests. It's great extension of your living space and provide a peaceful sanctuary to unwind. Lastly, let's explore the world of gardening by converting your shed into a greenhouse. With some transparent panels or windows, shelves, and few pots, you can create the perfect environment for nurturing your plants. It's a fantastic solution if you have limited space or want to protect delicate plants from harsh weather conditions. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to transforming your shed into something extraordinary. Let your imagination run wild. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration.